everyone, welcome to my blog. In this episode, I will be sharing our family holiday to Ras Al Kaima. It has beautiful coastlines boasting natural beaches of white sand sloping into clear, warm turquoise sea. Absolutely beautiful. We really enjoyed our holiday, and the best part of it is that it's not crowded. It feels like you have the beach to yourself or a section of the beach to yourself. It feels really private. Ras Al Kaima is the fourth largest of the 7 Emirate states that make up the UAE. We booked our package online through Virgin Atlantic. The resort we booked is absolutely beautiful. It's called Hilton Ras Al Kaima Resort and Spa. It sits on a private sandy beach. It's just over an hour drive away from Dubai city centre. The service is seamless. Absolutely beautiful accommodation, and all the facilities are just there.
Yeah.
Everything that you could possibly
take my
need.
one, will you?
So we had a family-size seafront villa with beach access consisting of 2 queen bed and 1 single bed. It also had separate living area, spacious terrace, and of course allocated sunbed, which made it really nice not having to worry about sunbeds. This was really nice because we could just relax while the kids played next to us with sand and water. It was just really lovely. The accommodation had all the basics necessities one would need on holidays. So iron board, hair dryer, clock, radio, safe, minibar, coffee making facilities, complimentary Wi-Fi access, LCD flat screen TV, air conditioning. Here you can see the 3D model of the resort, which is displayed at the reception. It's a very large resort and very beautiful too. The resort itself had beautiful restaurants with a wide variety of food catering to different cultural background. The main restaurant had buffet breakfast, lunch, dinner, which our kids really enjoyed. One thing I really liked about the main restaurant is that they had their own kids section. So the kids section of the restaurant was their height, so they could actually go and pick up their own food that they like, which my kids really liked. It had a Disney theme to it. Unfortunately, the storage card that we had most of our footage for the restaurant we've lost, so there's quite a lot of footages that I would have really loved to show. We've lost that storage card, but it's absolutely beautiful. There are several other restaurants within the site that you can choose to dine in. There's also a variety of drinks that's available, including hot beverage, soft drinks, still and sparkling water, juice, mocktails, and much more. Obviously our kids enjoyed juices and soft drinks, and we enjoyed the hot beverage, but everything's available at your request. Also, in terms of kids facilities, there's lots of things. There's water slide for kids, there's kids pool. The best thing is that there's complimentary access to kids club for parents, both indoor and outdoor play area. I think that's only available to certain holiday packages though. We had the access to it. However, because we had direct access to the beach, we didn't really need to use the play area because the kids just enjoyed themselves while we relaxed. Kids also loved the golf cart. Every time we wanted to go from the villa to the restaurant or to the reception, all we needed to do is call up reception and let them know, and within 10 minutes we'd have someone at our door to pick us up with the golf cart to take us to reception or wherever we wanted to go. Overall, we had a great time there. The kids loved it, we loved it, and the kids actually want to go back again, so that says it all. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.